used to run through the door with the sun on his face, laughing at nothing, filling up every space. I named him for wisdom. I believed he would be the best of me, the best of me. But I was away, I was building the walls, thinking that money would answer the calls. I didn't know silence was growing inside while I was gone, while I was gone. Oh, the years I missed, the years I missed, when he needed a hand and I wasn't there. Now he talks to the voices, he walks through the night, and I stand in the doorway holding my tears, holding my tears. They told me he's broken, they said it's the poison creeping through veins where my love should have been. I packed up his bag at the hospital door. He whispered, "Don't worry," but I'm not sure. He asked her forgiveness in the old mother's tongue. I stood there like stone, feeling so young, so foolish, so late, so empty, so wrong. The years are all gone, the years are all gone. Oh, the years I missed, the years I missed, when he needed a hand and I wasn't there. Now he talks to the voices, he walks through the night, and I stand in the doorway holding my tears, holding my tears. The silence to roar. Be there for the small years, be there for the hard years, before they slip through, before they slip through. Oh, the years I missed, the years I missed, when he needed a hand and I wasn't there. Now I beg you, hold your children close, hold them while you can, before the voices come, before the war can begin, before the bag is packed and you're waving goodbye. Waving goodbye. He said he'd be okay. He said it'd be okay.